Hello. In ancient Greece, the sea gave many treasures to the Greeks. It had many things in it, many more than we have today. Fish was one of the main foods daily on their table. Our menu includes stuffed calamari. From what we read in ancient Greek texts, calamari must have been one of the preferred delicacies served at the table by ancient Greeks. This is why we will show it to you today, our very simple recipe. We clean them thoroughly, we keep the heads. The only thing we stuff them with is the heads that we will chop finely, fresh basil, and bake them or grill them. Then we will prepare a nice oil and vinegar dressing and pour it over them after we serve them. So, to prepare our recipe, we need to cut the calamari heads which we will mix with the basil. In this case, you may use any herb you like.
Σε αυτή την περίπτωση εσείς μπορείτε να βάλετε οτιδήποτε μυρωδικό προτιμάτε. Η συνταγή δηλαδή το μόνο που θέλει είναι τα κεφάλια των καλαμαριών.
The only thing the recipe needs is the calamari heads with lots of finely cut herbs well mixed together. Stuff them back in, the basil, mix.
Το βασιλικό. Ανακάτεμα. Θα γεμίσουμε.
We will stuff our calamari, we will take care to divide the mixture nicely and evenly in the calamari.
Θα κοιτάξουμε το μείγμα που έχουμε να τα μοιράσουμε όμορφα και ισόποσα στα καλαμάρια. Θα κλείσουμε τα καλαμάρια.
Close the calamari with a toothpick. Place them on a rack in a baking tin. But we can do this, and as we said, we can also grill them.
Αυτό, όπως είπαμε, μπορούμε να το κάνουμε, να τα ψήσουμε και πάνω στη σχάρα. Προτιμάμε να βάλουμε τη σχάρα.
We put the rack in the baking tin so that the calamari will not touch the bottom of the tin, as they sweat a lot of liquid while cooking, and they would stew rather than bake.
Θα βράσουν.
We will bake them in the oven at 180 degrees for about an hour to 40 minutes.
Αυτά θα τα βάλουμε στο φούρνο τώρα.
We will put these in the oven now.